Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're gonna review this flush mount ceiling light with clear glass shade, and I got sent out this one for review. You can use this either indoor or outdoor. This is everything that it includes in the box. The screen is from glass, made of glass, and as you can see, it has these details here on the glass, so it's like an octagon or hexagon, and you can just put it together. It is really easy. This part, it is made of metal, and it is very resistant. This goes to the electric box, and this is the cables that we are going to need to install it. Okay, so now let's go ahead and start installing it. This will be our base, and we have to really adjust it so we can actually hook our lamp here. And once that we hook it here, we are going to start putting together the cables, the white with white and black with black, and of course the ground. Once that we have our cables together or linked together, we are going to cover the cables very well with this plastic lid, and we are going to make sure that these screws are matching these holes that are in our lamp. Now that we have installed it here, we are just going to cover these screws with these kind of lids that it includes, and after that we are going to install the light bulbs. Here they are. Now it comes with this piece. We are going to remove this part. Okay, this goes right here in the middle. Once that you put that one on, you're going to remove one of these plastics and put it on top on the glass, and the other one in the bottom, okay? Like so. Now we are going to put it on our lamp, and here the black circle will be just a screen, like just rotating so it can adjust it just so it doesn't fall, but not so hard because it does not go that way. Okay, this is how it looks. I really like it, and I think it looks very, very cool.